Come take a look at this 2005 Chevrolet Colorado. This Colorado has just under 64,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.5-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the LS Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment and the transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive. Refer to the engine and axle section for compatibility requirements must specify. Call 888-879-0128 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.